Hello guys and welcome to a new video from Biti. Here is your Bitcoin trading informant. So guys, let's start today. We will make a quick TA for Bitcoin. We will take a look about Bitcoin today. We have the 13th of February and as you can see we are here directly in my live stream. You can see here my live stream, streaming live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, live on Twitch and live on YouTube. And we are here in a very confusing, I think for the first view, it's a very confusing thing here to see all these charts and all these informations and so on and so on. So here is a quick overview about my live stream. Here is a very quick instruction. What can you see here on my live stream? You see here for the first, this big screen here, this is Bitcoin in the 50-minute chart. And as you can see, Bitcoin is now dumping a little bit. You can see here in the 50-minute charts a lot of signals, a lot of symbols. You can see here symbols like STV, like STB, like BE, like buy, like sell, and so on and so on. Okay, what's about these signals? What's about the symbols? It's easy to explain. You can see here the BE symbol, that's the bullish engulfing. These are candlestick pattern, and this candlestick pattern could tell you the direction Bitcoin will go. Will it go up or will it go down? You can take a look on my video channel. You can type in BE for bullish engulfing, and you can take a look about candlestick pattern on my videos, and you will see a video there where I explain what about this bearish engulfing signals and so on and so on. The other thing is you can see here green buy symbols and you can see here red sell symbols. These are signals. You can see here was a good place to buy. You can see here was a good place to sell. And that's on the 15-minute chart. It's not working so perfectly. It depends always on the time frame you are trading. If you're trading in 15-minute chart, you can see this is a help for you. Here is a buy signal, possible good buy. You can trade this upgoing trend here. Here is a sell signal. Okay, perfect. Sell here. You wait, or you're going short here. Here's the next buy. You buy here, and here you can see it's not so good to trade sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So here you made no good trades here, because the fees will eat you out. It's the 50-minute chart, and it's not so perfect to trade this chart with these signals, but they should only be a help to you. Here is a LUS symbol. That's always a good question. Hey Biti, what's the LUS? And this is the lower upper shadow, and this is a candlestick pattern, and you can see this on my video, candlestick patterns. So okay guys, here's the MACD on the other side. You know the MACD, momently it's on the 15-minute chart bearish. You can see the blue line is under the brown line. That's the crossing, the last crossing here. And so Bitcoin is going down from here. If the blue line will go over the brown line, it's for you and for the noob traders a sign that Bitcoin will going up again. You see here the green and the red bodies here, and as you can see, the MACD is momently very bearish, and we have a lot of red candles and a lot of volume. The volume of each body you can see here is a lot of volume. Here's not so much and not so much. So okay, that's the 50-minute chart. You can see here on this here, this is the 1 minute, the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour Bitcoin chart, PTC 1 hour. And as you can see here, we have channels. We have such green channels and red channels. And what I make is mostly I'm trading these channels. So here on the 50-minute chart, we are on a little downtrend channel. And I always try to buy here on the downside of the channel. And I always try to sell here on this upper line of the channel. So that's the way I am trading it. On the 1 hour chart, you can see here no MACD, but you can see here the ribbon band, and this ribbon band are a lot of EMA lines, and they are very important for me, because if Bitcoin is going down and Bitcoin is going under this ribbon band, it's a bearish sign for me, and I would sell here. And as you can see, here was the sell signal, the last of the hour chart, and Bitcoin went down from this. Another thing is here you see the green uptrend, and as you can see, Bitcoin has fightened here against this uptrend line, this down line, and here it broke the line and it's going down again. So one thing, these symbols I have here on these signals are not 100% to take. So if you see buy, do not blind buy. If you see sell, do not blind sell. Take it only for your opportunity. Take it only for your help to buy here, or for a decision to make for sell here. That's very important. That are only informations I give you here on my channel live 24 hours a day, but you have to take your own position here. Okay, that's very important. Study it, draw your lines for yourself. Don't follow blind anyone on YouTube, on Twitch, any one of these Bitcoin professors. It's very important. I will show you on this channel only my trading channel with the important signals for me to trade, and I hope that I can give you with this information and with these signals the right position to trade, to make good trades, to make positive trades. And if it's working for you, and if you are happy with my signals and with my information here and with the chart, we are chatting a lot here, then please give me a donation, give me a sub, give me support, and say to me, Biti, you are great. That's great what you are making here, and here is a little donation for you. That's making me a very big smile, and that's showing me I'm making it on the right way here for you, to showing you all this information all day long, all week long. We are always online 365 days. This channel is over 1 year old, so I'm streaming over 1 year here live, really every day, every night. So you can see here on the 4-hour chart, here we are building a pattern. For all guys who don't know what is a pattern, I have a video on my channel too. Just take a look what is a pattern. There you can see a shoulder, head, shoulder, or a cup and handle, and this is a rising wedge we are building here on the 4-hour chart. And you can see here the yellow line and this yellow line, and we are here on the 4-hour chart, and these lines will come closer and closer, and we will see maybe there an outbreak to the upper side or to the downside. I can't see the future, guys. I can't predict you now buy, now sell. I am not a financial advisor. That's very, very, very important. I am only giving you the important informations I can give you here. That's the 4-hour chart. That's the ribbon band here. You can see we are over this ribbon band. Everything is perfect for Bitcoin. Here on this side, you can see total buy and total sell, total long and total short, and you can see here some lines here. You can see how much live trading is here momently, how much Bitcoin are bought momently and sold momently. I will show you this thing later on another video, because this is a little information I would like to give you separately in another video. That's updating always, every minute is the new update. That's live here, total shorts and everything. On the down right side, you can see here 8 cryptos. That are 8 big cryptos, and it's cool to see here Bitcoin momently about a minus about 0.1%, and you can see here Ethereum a plus about 2.5%, XRP, it's Ripple, it's Litecoin, it's GRT, it's XLM, it's DOT, and it's BNB, and you can see here what is momently the best coin to trade. You can see Bitcoin is going down a little bit, but all altcoins are mooning momently. Stellar is going up extreme. I made a video of Stellar yesterday with the 50 cent. Thanks again, Empire 4, for the great donation, for your support. Thank you. This is here Stellar. It's going up about 23%. Polkadot it's going up 16%. BNB coin is going up very nicely 5%, and Litecoin, and so on and so on. So on this downside here, as a quick view, you can see how are your altcoins working here if you are in Ethereum and XRP and so on and so on. For the altcoins, I have another channel. I have the crypto trading information channel too. That's the second channel from me, and you can see there are 6 of these big cryptos with live buy and sell signals very nicely. Please take a visit and take a look at my crypto trading information channel. Here on the left side, you can see this is a little window, and on this little window you can see here Ethereum. I'm here. I have here 2 windows with Ethereum. You have here the 15-minute chart of Ethereum, because personally I'm trading Ethereum very often here, and a lot of guys here are watching at Ethereum and trading it too. So here is the 15-minute chart of Ethereum, and you can see here the same symbols. You can see here the candle symbols, candlestick patterns, and you can see here the buy and sell signals. You can see here the hash ribbon band, and you can see Ethereum is momently here in a very nice uptrend, coming down a little bit, but we have here a big green support, and you can watch my Ethereum analysis on other videos I made yesterday. Here on the left side, you see here a little window. It's the Ethereum 4-hour chart, and we have here an active pattern. Boba Fett is a very nice guy in my community. He told me, Biti, can this be an inverse head and shoulder? And yes, Boba Fett's it's still active. Here's a shoulder, here's a head, here's a shoulder, and we have here a baseline, and maybe we break out here to the upper side. We have a target about 2100 on Ethereum, and it's still possible to break this trend line, and then we go long here with our trade to 2100. Okay, so that's the live stream here. I'm streaming and showing you. Here's a chat. You can chat with me if you have questions, and so on and so on. But now let's go into the Bitcoin chart. We make a Bitcoin TA together, and we are starting with the one-day chart. So let's take a look about the one-day chart. What's going on here on the daily? Let's turn off this pattern to make a clear view here to our candles, so it's not so confusing here. And this, you can see here, Bitcoin, US dollar, and the daily chart. You can see we had a triangle here. This triangle formed about some days here, and we had a positive breakout over this triangle. And very important, this was the breakout. So you could go long here of this because of this breakout from the triangle, and we can draw a line here from the upper side to the downside. And this is our target. The breakout was here, and as you can see, guys, it fits so perfect, it's making me frightening sometimes. So this pattern broke out to the upper side. Bitcoin fightened this resistance once here, started here, twice, three times, 4 times, 5 times, and definitely broke out here, and this was a perfect place to buy about 35,800, and it's going up and up and up, and this was our target here. I've showed you since long time this target here was about 48,000, and Bitcoin is now on 46,000. Touched this target perfect. It spiked through the target, and it's now here, and you can see Bitcoin is now coming down a little bit and retracing here from this target here. So what can we see? Perfect target, triangle target, perfect breakout on the daily. Everything is fine, everything is working good here. What will we see in the next days? That's the important thing. What will we see today? How can Bitcoin act? I'm like to going deeper now in the 4-hour chart. We take the MACD here to take a look about it, and we will turn on the buy and sell indicators, and you can see this is the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, we are here in the last channel I drew here. We are here on a downtrend channel. Okay, all in all, we are in the uptrend. The green channel here is the uptrend channel. The trend is our friend, and we are in a perfect uptrend channel. So this uptrend channel can go longer here. This is the downside, and this was the upside. You can see Bitcoin spiked over this channel every time here, but it could not break out over this resistance here. The resistance is about 48,900. Let's talk about 49,000. Okay, and you see we're coming down a little bit here. Here was a good support line. We're coming down a little bit in the 4-hour chart. You can see it here, and as you can see, the very important thing is we had here a crossing on the 4-hour chart. The crossing was about 10th February at 9 o'clock. That was a good point to sell. Okay, this you would not take this back here, but as you can see, the blue line here never touched the brown line, and it's going down a little bit now. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is bullish, extreme bullish. The altcoins are mooning. Okay, everything is okay, but I always have in the background that Bitcoin may go down a little bit more. You can see here the bottom of this uptrend channel is about 42,000, so, or 43,000 here in this position. So everything is possible. Bitcoin can't moon all time long. Bitcoin will retrace sometimes. Bitcoin will dump sometimes. So keep in mind, 43,000 is a possible support here on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the hour chart. Let's take a look at this. And what we can see here, Bitcoin 1 hour, This is our little downtrend. Bitcoin is forming. Bitcoin was here on this point at 49,000, and from there you can see we're making lower lows and lower highs. You see it here. This was a lower high. You see it here. This was a double top, triple top, whatever, but it's never going over this high or over this high. And the lows you can see here from this was a low, this is a low, and now it's interesting to see, will we come more lower here, and we are going under this lower low. We will see. That's the next important thing here. So that's for this one here. The MACD on the hour chart is interesting too, because you can see it here. Let's zoom in here. You can see it here. It was a good position here to buy because the blue line crossed the brown line. You can see it here. It's going up a little bit, but now attention, the blue line crossed extreme this brown line, and the sell signal is here, and it was a good point to sell here. And you see Bitcoin is coming down here. In my opinion, I know Bitcoin is so bullish. It's so hard to see. It's so difficult to make TA because Bitcoin is breaking up every time. All patterns are breaking up. No pattern is breaking down. It's unbelievable. In my opinion, it's really hard to say. What about next point? You can see here this was a low. We can try to make this here was also a low. We can try to make here a channel 2, and as you can see, as if you're making such a channel like this, this is a green uptrend channel, and so we are on the hourly and in a greater channel. We have the great green channel, we have a great green channel, we have a little green channel here. So this is maybe a support we may touch here. This should hold here for this uptrend channel. It's about 46,000 bucks. That should hold to go up here on this channel again. If we are breaking this through and we are falling back, we are not falling back, we are still in this red downtrend channel, then it looks like we see maybe a little bit bearish Bitcoin here, but I don't think so because Bitcoin is unbelievable. The support line we have to watch is here about this last point. We can take a line from this to this. So this is a support here for us, working for us, and Bitcoin may use this line to bounce up again if Bitcoin will come so in this direction, or if Bitcoin will dump in this direction. About 43,800 is a good support here. We can take a look on it. So what do we have here? That's the 1 hour chart. We don't take a look at the 15-minute chart, but I would like to show you something else. Last time we tried out the 5-wave theory. Maybe we will take a look about this theory now. Let's delete all drawings here. Let's turn off the patterns. So we need to turn it off, and here it is. Here it is, the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, we can try to make the 5-wave theory. Last time I showed you the 5 waves up and the 5 waves down, but it's possible, and mostly the most traders are using the 5-wave up and the 3-wave down. The 1 hour chart is not so good for this. I will try to take a 4 hour chart. So let's start maybe with this one. Give me a try. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's not working good. It's the highest point here. Maybe we can take a try at this. Take a try like this. If it is the 5-wave theory, we are trying to make our waves here. So let's try about this. Here is the start of the pump. It's the 1 wave. It's here the 2. It's the 3. It's the 4. It's the 5. So it's not working so really good because the 5th wave is the highest point in my opinion. Let's take a look at this. It's not working so perfectly. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not so good in my opinion. It's not so really good to take a look at this. It's maybe better. It's maybe 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. It's okay. It's fitting not perfectly, but take a look at this. I would like to show you something. This is the 5-wave theory in the upgoing, and then always, mostly trader are taking a look at this. It's the ABC correction phase. So we are going up in a channel, in a phase, and we are going down, and then we're going up and we're going down. And this is what I like to show you here. Let's turn on the ABC wave theory. So this is the 5 wave theory. Okay, fine. And here you can see is the ABC. That's the 4 ABCs. Give me a look here. Here. Okay, this is the ABC. Let's try it. This is the starting point. This is A, this is B, and this is the deepest point from here, or this is the deepest point, doesn't matter. That's the end point of our correction. So guys, you see, starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the highest point. The highest point we reached here with Bitcoin, it was about 41,000. Then we saw a correction phase and a downtrend. A little downtrend, correcting. So we're starting, make a pump, we are correcting a little bit. We are starting, we make a pump, we are correcting a little bit. That's the main structure of Bitcoin. Bitcoin always is making a pump and a little correction phase. A pump and a little correction phase. If we are take a look about this. This was the 5 wave up, this was the ABC down. Let's take now the 5 wave up, because this is the next pump here we saw on Bitcoin. Let's take a try. We are going from 0 to 1. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. This is wave 3. This is wave 4. And now we are forming the wave 5. This is the highest point. So you see the upgoing 5 wave correction phase. The upgoing 5 wave, what will follow maybe now, or what should follow, the correction phase. So stay alert here. We are on the 4-hour chart. If it's possible, and if this Elliott theory is working here, we will take a look about this. There's something more I have to tell you. These Elliott waves have rules. Number 3 always must be higher as number 1, and so on and so on. That's very important. I would like to tell you these rules maybe on another video, but you can read about the Elliott wave theory on Google. Also, it's not so complicated. But I would not like to go in these rules very much and tell you here some technical stuff. Let's take a look at this here. It's very nice to see maybe if we are correcting now this ABC again in the downside to because of a next dump maybe. So this is the ABC. Let's start here. Maybe guys, this is jetzt the magic glass reading. Sorry for my bad English. We're starting here, and as we can see here, the wave A was a big down. Maybe we see now a big down. We see a little up again, and we see a great down, a C. That's magic glass reading here. That is unknown future. But it's possible to see after this pump, maybe now a little correction too, maybe down to, I don't know, I can tell you here 35,000. That's magic glass reading. But take it in your mind and think about it. Always, it's working often. It's working really often very well. You can see upgoing 5 waves, downgoing 3 waves, upgoing 5 waves, downgoing 3 waves. You can see it very often. Not always, as I showed you yesterday, 5 up, 5 down, 5 up, 5 down. That's a theory again, okay? But this ABC is you can see very often. You can try to draw it on your chart on TradingView also. So it's possible. It's possible. That's the thing I would say about it. Guys, I think that's enough theory for today, a long video for today, but I would like to show you this 5 wave theory in the ABC. In every video I will show you some things more, so we can go deeper and deeper and deeper in our TA, and that you will maybe starting from a noob to a TA professor, and maybe you will make your own videos and showing the guys your own theories and what else. The important thing is we are a great community. We are a great crypto community. I love you all guys in my live stream. We are all extreme cool guys, and we have no problems. It's no bad words. It's really, really, really amazing to see this lovely community, and that's the way. And that's the thing why I am making this, because there are so much guys in my community. Guys, I like you all. Thank you for your support. It's if it still are nice words to me, or if you are seeing patterns like Boba Fett's, or if you are what else, guys. I love you all. I love to make TA with you, and I love to make everything I can for you that you can make possible good trades. Yes, sorry again for my bad English. I'm learning it. With every video, I will be better. I promise. And I hope you will stay on my channel. I hope you will keep watching my videos, and I hope you will keep supporting me. Give me thumbs up. Please share my videos. It's very important for me to grow. I'm a little streamer in this big world, and I love to give you these informations I have. So guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Have nice trades. I wish you the best of luck. Make it good. Greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.